That's it, that's it, that's it, that's it.
No! Hey, what's up guys? So we're back at the creek today. We're hoping to catch some nice steelhead. We did great the last few times we've been down here. And a couple days ago I was here and we lost about a 10, 11 pounder, a real nice fish. So today's redemption time.
Trying to catch some fish, trying keyword, but stay tuned for that.
Yeah, I don't know if all we're gonna eat today, but we'll catch them.
We'll catch them.
We'll catch them.
Hopefully we get some drone footage in for you guys, and yeah, stay tuned for the montage. We'll see you on the water.
Okay, this is a pro tip for you guys. See your hook box? Go to fucking Walmart, Canadian Tire, wherever the hell you go. Get the magnet strips and hot glue them to the bottom of your hook box.
Amazing!
Alright, here's a pro tip.
Your hooks, your swivels, anything metal, it saves you so much hassle. I don't have a good solution for beads, but if you do, please comment.
Yeah, no, that's... Honestly, guys, we should be charging you for this. Like, this is information, like, that shouldn't be
This is
free.
gonna be on OnlyFans. You have to pay monthly for this kind of info.
Oh, you ready?
Yeah.
Yo. Yeah, you're gonna take the whole tree down. Mish, you're gonna break it.
Subscribe to Michelle Barra for more awesome videos.
You're gonna worse. You gotta worse.
Oh, baby, we're in business. We're in business, guys. Woohoo! We're in business.
Oh, you're brain dead. Go fuck yourself. I wanna throw your stupid ass and go for the water.
I actually can't believe we got it. Wow. This guy is...
I can't believe you.
Yeah, you got some bugs here.
Okay, go.
Oh, fuck, I think there's one in your head.
Bro, please. Ow. Are you?
Oh, wait.
Please stop. Where?
Yeah, there's one more. There's just one more in your
Okay,
head.
get it off.
There's one more. One here. Ow. There you go. I think I got it. You're good.
There's no more?
You're good.
Show me what to do. I need to feed my kids.
Oh, nice size. Nice size. Oh, beauty. Holy. Nice monster, Jack. Good job. I'll just show you. Empty, all on the floor. And somehow it's all in the water. Thanks to this guy. Do you have anything to say for yourself?
Heavy winds today, you know. On a normal day, this never happens.
Yeah, it's no wind today.
Never.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
1 hour later.
Well,
2 hours later.
God, it's fucking warm, I'll say that much. Imagine doing this shit in the fucking snow. That'd be fucking miserable. Let's get this down, get you a redemption fish, and get the fuck out of here.
That's it, that's it, that's it, that's it.
Let's go! No! No!
What did you...
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
So not your fault. It was fucked anyways. No way.
No way?
Still got it. Fucked anyway.
We did it, I'm sorry, I didn't mean.
No. Yo, she's gonna. I can fix this.
That's fixable?
Might not, but we'll fix it.